What is going on, guys? We're at the Watchung Reservation in Berkeley Heights, New Jersey. Now we're gonna go look for a deserted village and walk around the Enchanted Forest. So I heard it's really haunted. I don't know what's gonna happen. I possibly feel something, see something, I don't know. A lot of history here. There are stories of witchcraft and satanic rituals going on in these woods over here. And so I pretty much don't know what I'm facing right here. That anything's happening right now. It looks nice and peaceful. Look at this. It's a nice little reservation. Alright, this way to the historic cemetery. Oh, that's pretty simple. I thought it was going to be like a long trail, but there's, guys. Historic cemetery. Original owner is buried over here. What is it?
It's a little tennis court, and there's a bench over there, and this is fenced in so you don't lose your balls.
So guys, I usually do abandoned places. I don't encourage going there, but this place, it's like a national park, so you just go ahead, feel free. Check it out, it's pretty cool. Earlier today, we were at Newark. It's an abandoned cemetery. Check out that video too, it's the last one. So we just walked down a little more. This is more of the deserted village right here. Abandoned houses down there too. Alright guys, so back in the day they had power outlets on trees, not inside the house. So as you can see the cables going inside. No, I'm kidding guys, they have it lit up or something. There's a chest right there, but by now somebody probably looted it. We'll keep walking down. We got a couple more houses down here. It says private residence, but I don't think anybody lives here. Resident number 10 doesn't live here. Same goes with these buildings right here. Abandoned, deserted village. Hey look guys, Battle of the Short Hills. Historical trail from the Revolutionary War. Let's go. Got a fork in the road, and we're going this way. Continue to walking down a trail and turn into like some freaking Cabbage Patch field. Like what the hell? I don't even know where the trail is anymore. Is this it? I guess we gotta go back again. I don't want to go back. And you gotta get yourself shoes like these.
I do have them. I just gotta grab them from home. I keep forgetting them.
Makeshift bridge. I guess we're going this way. What the hell? How is this a trail? Oh, I found a trail. It's up here. What the hell are you doing, man? Oh, this is the mill site. Sign right here it says. Oh yeah, you see the foundation wall. Yeah, it used to be a mill right here. Nothing really left, but just some ruins against the wall back there. Against the mountainside. A little bit of foundation. But we're just gonna keep exploring, take a look all around. Just want to find something cool here. Austin's telling me the dam is gone,
But
but
there's
it still
remnants.
remains of it.
Yeah, it says the remains of 2 embankments visible.
Sorry guys, this trip is going south. I thought it would be cool things. There's a couple cool things here, but like a lot of it's gone. But it's a cool place to just like, I don't know, ride your bike. Or just take a walk on these trails. So we're pretty much just walking more into the Enchanted Woods and Apparently there's a lot of legends here, lots of myths, ghost stories. People say like certain spots they feel cold spots, like ghost stories, especially in that house. I read something that's like there's like 3 ghosts living in there. I don't know, but I didn't feel anything out of the ordinary here. It's a nice nature trail. Alright guys, I'm gonna close this video out. Hope you like this adventure. Hit the thumbs up button if you think it's pretty cool. Make sure you subscribe. I always go on adventures all the time. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this place. If you had any experiences here. If you know any stories of your own, let me know. And until next time, take it easy.